Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today recipe is a delicious beef stew and I will show you how to cook it in multi-cooker. At first, set mode to stir fry for 20 minutes. Heat a little oil in the pot. Once the oil is hot, put cardamom and cinnamon stick and add the ginger garlic paste. Step 2 is adding the beef. Stir and cook the beef until it's turned brown on all sides. This helps give the stew a rich flavor. All the spices amount based on your meat and depends on your desire. Now 4 minutes only left. So I add the frozen masala gravy and mix well with the beef. In this step, if you wish to fry onion and fresh tomato, is up to you. I have only available frozen masala gravy, so I use it. So now it's done. Then pour in enough water or beef broth to cover the meat. Now I cover the pot and let it simmer until the beef becomes tender. Set to the stew mode for 30 minutes. Now 1 minute left, going to be done. Now it's done. So I just place the clothes on the side. So once the steam comes, so it will not be messed up. And then I open it carefully. Now the beef is soft, so I will add the chopped potato and carrots. Close and lock the lid. Now set the slow cook mode for 4 minutes. Now it's done. So I place the clothes on the side just to release the pressure so it will not mess up all the cover. So now I open it carefully. And now I will check the meat. Now the meat, the potato and the carrots are perfectly cooked. Very soft and very tender and tasty as well. Finally, turn off the power and serve the beef stew while it is hot. It is perfect to enjoy with rice and bread. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoy trying this delicious beef stew recipe. See you in my next video. Bye!